Hey guys, this is your introductory video for week 5, which is chapter 6. And chapter 6 really covers instructional effectiveness. And what I'm going to do this week is really go into detail about the steps and things that you need to do in order to be really effective in your teaching and your organization of your class. One of the things you need to do is make sure you go up here to the textbook section, and that's just a PDF of the textbook. You can download that on your phone or on your computer, but you'll need that, and you'll need to use chapter 6 to help you work your way through the material. But everything we do is in that chapter. So let me just kind of walk you through there. The first one is characteristics of a quality lesson plan. So I do a lecture on this. So I'm teaching you what these characteristics are, and the information is also in your book. Essential elements of instruction, same kind of thing. It's on page 99 of your book, and I'm doing a video lecture to explain those things to you. The next one is gender stereotypes. This is something I think, especially when you watch this video, it'll bring to mind some things where you may be vulnerable a bit to gender stereotypes. This is all the information that's in the book, and these are some methods that you can use to help you prevent from stereotyping students based on gender. Let's see. Move that. Did I lose my page? Let me pull it back. All right, I'm back there. Just going to try to get down here and hit that next button. There we go. So this one is a video on how to provide instructional feedback. This is really important as you teach your class, because you constantly have to provide feedback to your students. They need to know if they're doing a good job or they're not doing such a good job. And this gives you methods on how to provide feedback to your students. And then I give you some quizzes based on those things. So there's an essential elements of instruction quiz. There's a characteristics of a quality lesson plan assignment. There is an assignment on gender differences, and there is a discussion on how to be an effective listener. There's a video here that explains some things that you might do to be an effective listener. I can get all this to move for me. But you'll use that as your discussion. I am going to add a proctored test to this. It's not there now, but I am going to add a proctored test to this module. So if you have any questions this week, please send me a message through Canvas, and I'll be happy to help you the best I can. Good luck.